there, my friend. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of a popular Japanese dish? Yakitori is more than just grilled chicken. It's an art form that has been perfected over centuries. And today I'm going to be your guide to mastering this delicious dish. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen newbie, I've got something for everyone. So get ready to learn all about yakisoba, its history, ingredients, and most importantly, how to make it at home. If you're a fan of grilled meats or Japanese cuisine, then you're in for a treat. You may have tried yakitori before, but I promise there's always room to learn something new. Plus, with the summer grilling season in full swing, there's no better time to expand your grilling repertoire than right now. So let's get started with a quick overview of what yakitori actually is. In short, it is a Japanese dish consisting of grilled chicken pieces and vegetables that are skewered and served with a special sauce. But don't let its simple description fool you. There are countless variations of yakitori, and each region in Japan has its own unique take on this classic dish. The beauty of yakitori lies in its versatility. It can be made with different cuts of meat and poultry, as well as a wide variety of vegetables. The most popular type of yakitori uses chicken thighs and breasts, but you can also grill chicken wings, hearts, livers, and even gizzard. For the veggies, onions, green peppers, and zucchini are common choices, but feel free to experiment with your favorites. Now let's talk about the sauce. A good yakitori sauce is essential to the dish's flavor. It's typically made with soy sauce, mirin sake, and sugar, but there are endless variations out there. Some sauces are thicker and sweeter, while others are thinner and more savory. The possibilities are really endless. To make the perfect yakitori, you'll need high-quality ingredients and the right tools. That includes skewers, grill, and sauce. I'll be sharing my top recommendations for each of these items, so you can get started making delicious yakitori right away. Now let me tell you a little bit about myself. I am a self-taught cook, and I've been sharing my passion for food and recipes with others for years. My love of cooking started when I was just a kid helping out in my grandmother's kitchen. And since then I've developed my own style of cooking that combines my Korean heritage with global flavors. When I'm not in the kitchen whipping up new dishes, you can find me traveling, exploring new restaurants, and trying out new foods. I'm always on the lookout for the next big culinary adventure. And now I want to hear from you. What is your favorite thing about food? Is it the way it brings people together? The comfort of a familiar dish, or the excitement of trying something new? Share your thoughts in the comments below. In the meantime, if you're hungry for more delicious recipes and cooking tips, be sure to check out my other videos. With that said, let's get back to cooking. It's time to unlock the secrets of a popular Japanese dish. You'll be a yakitori master in no time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes and cooking tips. And as always, happy cooking!